Hi everybody, it's Dr. Courtney Dunn, and I'm creating this video today to talk to you about something we did at Dunn Orthodontics that gave us a huge financial benefit. And it's something that I kind of heard of. I'd heard of people talking about this and sort of dismissed it because every time they talked about it, I was like, I think this is kind of shady, or I don't think that this is legitimate. And so I never really gave it like any of my time. And the thing I'm talking about right now is the R&D tax credit. And so you might have the same feeling like, why would I, want to look into something like this? This isn't something that sounds legitimate or whatever. But I kept hearing over and over again from people how they were using this R&D tax credit and getting a great tax credit, getting a great financial benefit, and then being able to reinvest in their practices. And so the very first thing we did was we went and talked to our accountant. We wanted to make sure this thing wasn't a scam, and we wanted to make sure this thing was on the up and up. And our accountant was like, yeah, this is totally legitimate. And not only is it legitimate, you guys qualify. So if you as an orthodontic practice owner is doing a little over $2 million a year, which would be kind of the minimum, you would qualify for this thing too. And for us, it brought us $100,000 this year. Which is amazing. And it does take a lot of legwork because you want to do it right. And so you're not gonna be able to calculate out how much you're gonna qualify for on your own. And your accountant can't either. Our accountant was like, nope, this isn't my thing. So you do have to hire an outside company. And so for us, we hired Layton. And the reason that we decided to hire Layton in the end was because they have a specific dental branch. So they're going to do everything to find where you qualify for this tax credit. They understand your business. And I think that that's really, really important, is that they have this dental branch and you can speak to them so they can kind of maximize your tax credit and they can ask you the right questions. So I think that that's really, really important. So if this is something you're interested in, I would say it's not a scam. I was stunned, honestly, at how much we got back. I mean, that's enough money to like start 3D printing in your office or get that new Pan Stuff machine you've been dying to get. I mean, like, this really helps offset legitimate expenses that you have in your office. Like, who doesn't want an extra $100,000? At least for us, that's what we got. I can't guarantee that that'll be what you guys get. So you need to talk to Guillaume. He's the guy that you want to contact. And so we have his contact information here. The first call is free, just like, right? We get a free consultation because you might not qualify. And so if you don't qualify, then it didn't cost you any money to talk to Guillaume, and he'll be pretty straight with you if it's worth your time. Because when we talked about like that $2 million mark, they were like, anything under that, you're not going to get as much. It's not really going to be worth your time. So, I mean, they do have, when you work with them, you will have a little bit of a fee, and they take a percentage of what you get, which when you see how much work they put into it, it's fair. And believe me, I am like more than happy to have the money that we got back with all the work that they put in. So definitely give Guillaume a call. He's been happy enough to kind of partner with WEO, which I think is amazing. So if you have any questions, go ahead and give Guillaume a call, or give me a call, private message me. I will try very hard to answer your questions. I'm not an expert in this. I just think that anybody who qualifies for this should definitely take advantage. I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys to be able to maximize your profits. And this is something that we should have done years ago. Have a great day.